Tengnoupal district 42 assembly constituency will undergo polling process on 26 this coming Friday. We have total 78 polling stations. 40 are P-2. They will be dispersing on 24 and 38 will be P-2. They will be dispersing on 25. Out of total 78 polling stations, 74 are normal polling stations and 4 polling stations are special polling stations. They are for IDP people. Out of these 78 polling stations, 73 polling stations will be guarded by central paramilitary forces and 5 polling stations will be guarded by state armed force. We have 2 polling stations, one in Saibo village, one in Khangsim village. We have 1 polling station that will be manned by specially abled polling personnel, that will be Andrasu. Apart from that, 15 polling stations will be manned by all women polling personnel. We have divided polling station among critical and vulnerable polling station. We are taking adequate care, security precaution to ensure fair, smooth and without any hindrance. We have ensured live coverage or webcasting for all our polling stations that we have ensured. Apart from that, as a security precautionary measure, we are sealing inter-district boundaries 72 hours before poll. We have done security coordination meeting with all CAPF, BSF, Assam Rifle, District Police and IRP MR. And 72 hours prior to election, inter-district boundaries will be sealed. Apart from that, international border will also be sealed. We have issued certain orders, restrictions on movement of heavy vehicles to ensure the polling party on their way to polling station, they don't face any issue on the way. We have adequate vehicle arrangement. CO office has provided us vehicles for transporting our polling parties. All security forces they have arrived, and today and yesterday BSF, state police, sector officer, sector police officer, they have done recce of their polling areas also. Apart from that, we on poll day we have multiple levels of monitoring. Sector officers will be there, zonal officers will be there, quick response teams will be there. We are having control room with all security forces and district administration. From district administration, I want to appeal to all citizens of Tengnoupal district to come forward to participate in this poll process and make this poll process a successful process and exercise your democratic right in ensuing parliamentary election. And we wish and we appeal to all people, Tengnoupal will have a very peaceful, smooth and very calm election in our district. Thank you very much.